4781 Casa Rustica. A lot of the streets in this neighborhood are cul-de-sacs. That high wall is a barrier between us and a major street. That's a commercial center. This house is listed for just under $300,000 and it's over 1,700 square feet. So definitely paint the front door. So tile at the entry. These are the same blinds that we put in. They tend to be durable, although it doesn't look like the sun is going to hit a lot of these windows.
Yeah, I think we're done.
Really? You?
Oh,
okay. I'll go ahead and record just for reference. Okay. It's a Lennox. This is not tile flooring, and it doesn't match. You want to remove that. It doesn't match the front entry, so you could redo it and just leave the newer laminate. See, if you're doing this bathroom, this area, the kitchen, and the front door. This is the same flooring that was in the kitchen. Elongated tub. Nicer cabinets. And stretch the carpet. Okay. Again, this flooring matches the kitchen and the other wet areas. Okay, that's that.